What's up, guys? Good evening, good evening, good evening. It's late night, and it's even later night for the people over in Europe. What's up, Water Tarts? Speaking of, how you guys doing? What's good? What's good? Good, what's good? What's good? Oh my goodness, I'm a green screen. I like it. I like it. I'm so green screen. This shirt is literally. Let me show you how green this shirt is. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Real trippy, right? Floating head trippy. Hold on, where am I? How do I get to myself? No, it's not me. That one. Wait, ready? Watch. Look how green this shirt is. I didn't even realize it. Ready? Look at that. That's hysterical. That's literally so funny. It's got a cool logo on the back, though. You can't really see it because it's green. That's so funny. I love it. On the other side, and the cool side of things, we have a Kickstarter, if you didn't know. You know, if nobody told you yet. We are at... I don't even have to, like, jump out of the way of things right now. This is actually really nice. I might do this from now on. We're at 6,200 out of 10,000. The numbers are hard. Numbers are hard. And... yeah, we're at 6,000 out of 10,000. We're getting there, man. Things are moving. We've gone up, like, almost 40% in the last, like, 3 days. So things are moving, things are grooving. And, this is cool. Really cool. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Multi! Can't I go do things? God. Grimm. Multi, thank you for the resub for 15 months. Yo, that's a lot of months. Can we get some love and hype in chat, please? Get some hype in chat. Throw some hearts. Thank you for that love, man. For real. Much appreciated. Give me literally 3 minutes. And I'll be right back. Hang tight. I'm back. Did you miss me? Okay. Floating head it is. What's up, Rihanna? Look at this. Okay. We got another donation. We are now at 6231. Very, very exciting. We are moving and grooving. How we moving up? What's happening in this life? Craziness. Craziness. So, thanks for being super cool, guys. Let's go and work on this today. We have stuff to do. What, you might ask? I don't know. How do you connect your Discord? Oh, for World of Grimm? The Discord role does not happen until October 14th. But I can give you a link to the Discord channel. Do you need that? Did you just back? Was that you? Crazy son of a gun. First you subscribe and then you back the project. Wild man. I'm gonna go find it. Might be able to get you an in. You crazy. Why are you so great? Oh, you're in there already? Okay, cool. Okay, so it will auto update you with the Discord role after the project is completed. I thought you were in this group already. You are in here. Okay. I knew it. I knew you were. Alright. So, we need to go to the Asana. I need to drop all these guys into completed. Guys, while we were off stream, we added 3 new cards to the game. You want to see them? You want to see them? They're really cool. Ready? 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 Here's the first one. Ridiculous. Mech Pilot Cinderella. Look at that. Dang, man. That's cool, right? The floating head really makes the stream today. It really does. Oh, hey, Leo. Where is he? You can't see him. He's there, though. Hey, buddy. Yeah, meow. Come here. You can't yell at me and run away. That's not how it works. Okay. So Mech Pilot Cinderella is the first one. Wow, my brain has farted. Next one is the Knighted Young Mr. Fox. Yeah, I tried to get love to you. I tried to give you love and you said no. The Young Mr. Fox, the Knighted version. Very nice, very nice. And then the Rumpelstiltskin Retro, right? Because we have the original Rumpelstiltskin, which is fantastic. And then we have the retro version of Rumpelstiltskin. Look at this color scheme. Woo! That is so cool, man. So cool. That's so neat. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to have the guy who has created... Give us the kitty scratches. I tried... He ran from me. Yeah. Come here. Tried it. We've been an invisible body holding a cat, holding an orange cat. So we're actually having the main artist, the guy who does the base art. So the original Rumpelstiltskin, this one, this guy, and this guy, same artist. Which is crazy because they're drastically different styles. And I love that. Right, so that's where we're at. Let's see what's on the Asana list. He wanted something. The one artist, or our UI artist. Oh, first thing, we must reduce the amount of XP gain. Reduce the amount of XP gain per end of match based on the amount of turns played. Right? XP gain. No. End turn. On end turn. Okay. No? Maybe. On initial. On exit turn, on end turn, open XP stat card. It's somewhere in here. It's somewhere in here. Add card XP. Okay. Okay, I got it. Got it. 1, you say. Really? Please don't be an integer. You are an integer. You would be an integer. I need to update that. Number needs to be not 1. That number needs to be a float instead or something. Or we have issues. We have issues and this is not good. So we need 0. What else we needed? We're just going to increase this all by 100. Right? 1, 200. Otherwise it's plus 2 times 100. Whoa, 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 whoa. Very low, plus 2 times 100. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Variant XP. Okay. Alright. Okay. Where else am I checking for variant level? Variant level I. What's that? Variant level add. Parse card stats. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Get level, get XP. This guy? All that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, list adds. Okay, so it's not that. So we are good now. I can now literally add the amount of turns divided by. Right? That would be somewhere. Here? Right, so this is going to be, instead of 1, it will be 100, 100, wait, 100 times total, so turn number, so it would be game turn manager turn number divided by 6. Yeah. Mathf dot round to int 100 times this number. Right? So this would be a float. Cool. That's what it is now. Cool. Now that way, if turn number is the full amount, you get that. You need a ridiculous hat? Do I have a ridiculous hat? This isn't a hat, though. These are slippers. Oh, wait a second. Things fall. Do it. I'll tell you what. I have an idea. Making myself laugh internally right now. I am making myself laugh. If we get the 6,500, I will wear this partially see-through green hat. Like this. It's a piranha plant pipe from Mario. It has piranha plant slippers. Wow, it has, yeah, it's piranha plant slippers, and they go in. This is cool. Look at this, ready? I don't wear the slippers. It's purely cosmetic. My feet get too warm. I'm a weirdo. Look at that. It's a piranha plant. Well, it looks kind of phallic. We're going to take the piranha plant out. Okay, so at 6,500 for the donations, we will wear that hat. Which is not actually a hat. But we will wear it. Because, Why not? And we'll turn off the green screen so that it's visible. Okay. That's funny stuff. My computer is buzzing, man. Okay, let's see if this works. So, if I play a match, right? And we're in the level manager somewhere. There he is. Right? And I have turn 1 happen. Right? And then we... Oops, we don't hit escape. Don't hit escape. Escape's not gonna work. We turn 1. Turn 1 does this. And we concede. Give me a lot of XP. Give me a lot of XP. Cinderella, you say? Cinderella. Cinderella would have been number... I have now contributed to the code base lately, and I can use what a Grimm on my resume. Please do. I appreciate you spelled world wrong. That makes it even better. I appreciate that you spelled world wrong. Literally next level at that point. This is wrong. It didn't work. An actual comment that way, 100%. Because when you're commenting and you spell it wrong, you're like, nah, whatever, right? Like, that's just how I always did it. I'm like, nah, it's all good, right? So what number is Cinderella? Cinderella is number 7. She's element 7. So element 7 has a variant ID of 012. 2. Shouldn't that be 3? That's weird. That's not good. I fix that. Fix that. Level manager. Cinderella. Be 3. Odd. Okay. There's no level. Didn't get a level. Interesting. Concede here. Pung, pung, pung. Opponent wins somehow. Oh, because you vanished. Okay. The Shoemaker and Godmother Toad. Shoemaker's like here or something. Level 1. He didn't gain the XP. Equals 0, did it? Did it? Did it, you say? Hey, say. Right, let's remove all breakpoints, and we're going to attach to Unity. Let's see here. Okay. You start a match. Right. This should work. Bam. Power right the kisser. Okay. 100 times 0. But this is times a float. Oh. I see what I did. This float needs to go inside here. Not there. needs to be inside the parentheses because we didn't have a float yet. Right? So that's the first issue. We should probably just add a 6F here just for funsies. Never hurts anybody. This should be turn number... Yeah, it's fine. Because at 7 turns, there will be 100 times whatever 7 over 6 is. 1.1 something. Let me breakpoint that again. Just to make sure it's good. So we concede. Give me some XP. No more than 0 junk. Give me some XP. Give me a hot tub. Can I get a hot tub? Alright, 100 times. 16.6667. We round it. Lana Lux with a mega raid. What's up, Slater? How you doing? Good to see you. Everyone from Lana's channel, welcome. My name is Krasenstein. I am working on a game called World of Grimm. It is a digital collectible card game set in the Brothers Grimm era and fairy tales and everything alongside that. I'm a floating head today because I didn't realize I was wearing a green shirt. Like, we're talking bright green, like almost the exact same color as the green screen. If you don't know Lana Lux, she's an amazing developer. She's working on a game called Strain, and you have to follow her if you haven't already. Phenomenal Unity developer. Check out this trailer for World of Grimm. That's the game. If you don't already know about the Kickstarter, we currently are live on Kickstarter. We are 62% done. That thinks the game is in German for some reason. We are 62% done complete on the pledges until we hit the stretch goal at 6,500. If that happens this stream, I will be wearing this piranha plant pipe as a hat. That's the goal. That's the goal. It's actually slippers, and it looks kind of weird, but it's really cool. So it'll become a hat somehow. We'll figure out how to make it work. But Lana, again, thank you for the raid, much appreciated. How was your stream? What did you end up doing today? And yeah, that's what's going on with that. So we are currently working on a way to make sure that we give the correct amount of XP based on how many turns are played in the game. And looks like we actually got it working right. So it feels good. Feels good, man. Feels good. So then if we give that much XP, it needs to show that and not 100, right? The art's amazing. Art is so good. And not biased, I did not draw the art. We have 10 artists on the team, and they are phenomenal. How does the missile know where it is? What missile? It just does. What missile? Okay, so we now have that working correctly. I'm not here to have you deter me, Slater. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. Dude, I haven't talked to you in a hot minute. How you been? Hope you're doing well, man. Okay, so when we add this XP, we need to show the display for it correctly too. Our display is not showing it right. That is because update card display, initialize card display, set variance, card level. Get XP. Don't need to add it. Don't need to multiply by 100 anymore. That's for sure. XP over card level. You think I have enough floats on here, dude? Hilarious meme. Oh my goodness, I'll have to watch that. I've been like, shit, because life is a sequential set of steps downhill. Man, I know that feeling sometimes, man. Here for you, though. Here for you. Rough. Okay, so we've got the XP fill amount, the level amount. XP plus 100 is greater than card level. XP plus amount that we are increasing by, not 100. See, it's still doing 100 no matter what. We need to actually force that to be a different amount. So float amount gained, int amount gained. Let's not be crazy here. Let's make it ints. We're gonna do plus amount gained over card level, and plus amount gained is greater than card level. Boom. That should be that. We should be nice and smooth now, and it should look great. Right? It's all about looking great. That's all matters. XP over card level. Sweet. Algo bro, how you doing? I thought my green screen was good. You win? Dude, alright? You never really know how good your green screen is until you wear a green shirt on the stream on accident. Ready? Look. Hold on. Where's this thing? Where's this thing? One of these clicks is my screen. Ready? Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, that's pretty green, man. That's pretty green. Yeah, I didn't even realize it. Key lime green. Literally keying out the green. It's pretty green. On a scale of 1 to green, it's green. Sure. Alright, so this should work. Ooh, errors. Don't tell me it was a good time. I clicked the wrong button. Alright, let's go here. So, let us see here. So if you have not already thought about backing the project, or didn't even know about the project, it is, of course, completely your choice to back the project. The lowest tier that gives you rewards is 12 bucks. That's cheap. That's real cheap. What am I doing here? What is this number? Uh-oh. That number is this number. Got it. Okay. Got it. Can't wait to create a card. Are you one of the people who can create a card? That's so cool. That's so cool. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Did you guys know you can create cards in the game? You get to actually help create a card if you back the $99 tier or higher. But wait, there's more. There's more in there too. It's not just that. We'll write you a thank you note. Well, my fiance will write you a thank you note. Her handwriting is way better than mine. Any day. As well as you get a sweet pack of stickers. You get a whole bunch of stuff in game, and you get to help make a card, including the name, description, what it looks like, what its mana cost is, if it's totally broken or not. The card that possessed microwave, totally Grimm Brothers. You know what? Back in the 1700s, they had microwaves. I get it. Makes sense. Stamp it. We'll put it in the game. Call it a day. Okay, so let's see if we actually gain the right amount of XP here. All right. So if you don't know how the game works, I'll do a quick little rundown of how this works. There are 14 cards in a deck. You get to play cards equal to your mana value, which is all the way over here. If you have the Kickstarter, you have to add the possessed micro card. It's all. You got it. Absolutely. Maybe it'll be a token. Maybe it'll be some kind of crazy... The Village Baker could bring the possessed microwave card onto the field. Whoa. Whoa. Let me pause this timer. Okay. So there are 6 turns in the game. Both players play cards at the exact same time. On turn 1, the left realm appears and tells you what it does. On turn 2, the middle one appears, and turn 3, the right one appears. As you play cards, you can play up to 4 cards per location on your side. You hit end turn. When the opponent hits end turn also, both cards reveal in the order that they were placed based on who is currently winning the match. So, every card does something different. For instance, the Pied Piper adds a rat to your hand. The peasant is a peasant, so he doesn't do anything. So then the goal of the game is after 6 turns, you need to have a higher total red number, which is your attack power. A higher total red number at 2 out of 3 locations to win the game. If it's not 2 out of 3 and you have one that's tied, then it's the total number added up together. If you have a higher total number, you win. So the Beetle Cave, put 5 beetles in your deck, in each deck, and they are 0 mana, and they have, whoa, that was weird, and they have 3 attack power, because it's currently nighttime, because the game has a day-night cycle, because this is cool and stuff, right? So let's actually play the Pied Piper, and we will also play the Beetle. We're gonna play the Pied Piper actually on the left side. Yeah. Captain Coder, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Good to see you. So we got 2 rats because of the Pied Piper playing in Moonlit Lake with on-play card effects trigger choice. So, add a random card to each side of the field. We actually got kind of boned here. Fisher's Bird came onto the field, which your opponent draws a card. All your characters in play lose 1 health except for this. Kind of rough, right? Kind of rough. Vitally Swabian is a interesting card, to say the least. If your opponent has 3 or more cards in this realm, -6 attack power. So we have to try to fill this realm up so that he becomes a 1 mana 2 attack card instead of an 8 attack card. 62%, dude, we got a lot. Yeah, we're getting there, man. Things are happening. If we hit 6,500 by end of stream, I will put on a Piranha Plant Mario Tube pipe as a hat. Let's put 3 here. It's going to reduce his attack down to 2. We do unfortunately have a very hurt realm over here. Any cards that do get hurt, in particular, and their health, their green number goes to 0, their attack goes to 0 too. So then you're building full archetypes of everything. We don't want to play Mind Meld, actually. We're going to play nothing this turn. I don't have a good turn 4 play. We're going to skip it. They played Father Holland, and they played the Water Next. The Water Next takes a card, puts it back in your deck. You need a Witch Hat? I can do a Witch Hat. Do you have where is the Witch Hat at? Where is that? Let's play Talking Cat. Talking Cat will give us 2 cards in our hand for turn 6. Looks like we lost our Giant, which is a bummer. Because of Moonlit Lake. Cinderella's going to place the Stepmother on your side, which works perfectly now, by the way. It's great. We got a Beetle, and we got us a Talking Cat. We'll take it. Oh, we got a Beetle and we got a Nullify. Nullify removes any channels. They don't have any channel abilities happening right now. This one's already not working. So, let's play... So this is the last turn. We need to control this location the most. Then we gotta play the Beetle right for just sheer number of power. And we can play Nullify left. It won't do anything, but good to be there. I think we might be okay. Maybe not. Oh, we are okay. Did we lose? So. We won! How did we win? Hold on. We won because... Oh yeah, so middle tied. So 15, 25, 30 versus 17, 27, 29. We won by 1 attack power. Wow. Talk about a close game. At the end of each match, you gain experience points, and then your experience points get added up for each card. And as you level up your cards, you level up and unlock new cards. So that's our non-pay to win part of the game. We don't have any actual pay to win. The only thing that we have is a shop that is coming soon. You can buy different versions of the same cards. So for instance, if you like Snow White, you like her ability, but you want the cute version of Snow White, you can buy the cute version of Snow White for about $5. The game's free to play, so I think that seems reasonable and fair, right? If you want the Red Riding Hood, but you want the forest version of Red Riding Hood, you can have that, and you can attach it in your deck, and you can swap out the different card art as much or as little as you want. Dark Throne variant. We've got a whole bunch of variants and everything. It's pretty cool. That's the entire gist of the game. So if you do like what you saw, but you can go to the Kickstarter, you can play the demo, you can hit the notify button for it to remind you when there's 3 days left of the Kickstarter, and you can also back the project for any amount you want. There's a bunch of rewards, and I totally recommend the $12 tier because there's only a limited amount of spots for it, or the $70 tier, which is the season pass every single month for free forever. Pretty cool. So with that, that's one thing that we did. We got the reduced XP gains based on turns finished. Bam. Got the we gotta work on masking the CCL screen. Not sure how we're gonna actually do. Alright. So yeah, so this screen in here, right? When we go to this screen, and we have this screen to unlock cards. If you can tell, like, so it's the card is there still. It needs to be masked like everything else, and I don't know why it's not. But I think I might know why it's not. I need to be able to click on them too. We don't have that for some reason. Right. So into the CCL screen. The first issue is inside this. I know it. It has to do with this. It is when the cards are unlocked. So when you unlock a card, it definitely sets the sorting order somewhere. Right? It's the what kind of object is it? Not card index. It is a toggle unlock screen. No, it's not that. Show unlock card. This. It's this. Override sorting is false. Hardback mystery is false. Override sorting is false. Well, if the override sorting is false, we should not have a problem. Right? Shouldn't be an issue at all, actually. So, this... Why do we have an error? I can't drag it. Okay, now I can. Weird. Working now. Okay. Pretend that it was working before with no problem. Why are you not masked? Right? That's like the #1 concern. Is I don't know why you aren't masked. Like this. Yep. Hard. Template? Aha! I have found it. Because it is not this. It is card to show, template, canvas, template, what is this card? Template dot. Minecraft like fiance. Hi, I will. Have a good night. Talk to you soon. Thanks for hanging out. Look for sorting as the image. We're already there. This is already a thing of .template. That should be no problem. However, I have a feeling that the card display is setting it on. Sorting. Get card border. Okay. Correct transform. Get position. No. Sprite. No. Did this somewhere. It's something somewhere, man. Display maybe instead. If C is override sorting, then pick his ID. It's in-game. In-game. If not, inspect card. No breakout. Testing. Get the variant. If inspect card is false. Okay, so there's nothing that shows that that does that, right? So what I can actually do, I have a feeling that when I go in here and I go to these, no, go to here and I go to this, where's the, how come it always hides that? Oh, I'm in the wrong screen. This screen. These guys. Card and spell. Bet you they have their canvases set up. Yep. Okay. If I turn these on. Nice. Okay. Same thing here. Template and spell. Sorting off. Apply to collection. Then I need to go to the here. Project select. Okay. Cool. That might fix that. Might just work. Where was it going? Here. And are we not gonna? Nice! Look at that just work. Isn't that phenomenal? Okay. So now we need a new version of this. The unlock screen? Oh, we have the unlock screen working. Works fine. Okay. The cards are not clickable for some reason. Let's go back into this guy. Why aren't they clickable? That's the question, right? Template. Move either with mouse. No on click. There's the problem, right? So, these are both on click. Do they need an on click? I don't think they do. How does a card work in this? Dude, I am struggling. Okay. Template. Template. We have one click and listener event data. On check inspect for not draft pick. On check inspect. Collection. Otherwise on check inspect. Okay. On check inspect should inside collection. I see. Collection level. Same way as the shop. Card info there. Yo, what's up, Irish John Games? It is Hedenstein. I realized I put on a green shirt. Laugh it up. Look at this. Look at this. Look how green this shirt is. Ready? Yeah, it's pretty green, right? It's so green that it hurts to look at it. Yeah, I didn't think about that. I went, I'm gonna go live tonight. And then, like, I went on and I went, huh. That's new. So that was fun. So what's good, buddy? How you doing? Can you believe, John, that we're at 62% now? Kickstarter is moving and grooving, man. 62%. Look at that. Woo! On its way, right? On its way. Maybe. Might be stuck there forever. Maybe not. The time will tell. Naughty Massive Credits. Nice, man. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. I'm excited for the stretch goals. I can't wait to start telling people all the stretch goals and getting hype around that. That's the most exciting part, is all the stretch goals, honestly. These parts are cool. Right? Getting funded is great. Are you being jealous because Penny fits in there and you don't? You see this cat right now? This cat is so big. How big is he? He's so big that he doesn't fit in there. Can you believe that? Leo, you're huge. Yeah, you're gonna fall asleep like that, aren't you? Live your life, cat. Live your life. He's like, and I will. I will absolutely live my life. Nice. Ew. Everything else was good except for that. Yuck. Okay, so this is not this. This needs to click this, and it needs to say, needs to be the one that's the unlock screen, except for unlocks at. Well, we know when it unlocks. You can't click on it. We'll call that. World King. Why is that doing that? Let's see. Into the collection level we go. Where will it stop? We'll never know. I think. No card from the deck. Why? Oh. Where's this button? All the way down there. Weird. Janky. Very janky. Alright, so. Need that missing. Maybe none. We need. Let's see. What do we need? What do we need? It's a inspect, and it's the that box, the card credit box. These. What's weird about it? This? The width? Gotta be the width. Had to have been it. Had to have been the entire thing. Wow. Nice. Looks good. Alright. Quality of life. Okay. So this is CCL Inspect Card Artist Box Fixed. CCL Inspect Not Showing. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm marking things I did as complete real fast. My bad. Want to see something really cool? So this is called Asana. Asana is a very awesome, basically an everything Trello that also holds a Google Drive inside it. And when you complete stuff, you hit this button and the unicorn appears. Right? Or that, whatever, that Yeti with rainbow rocket backs. Awesome. It's pretty cool. Alright, so we need to remind the realm that the keywords are a thing, right? So do that. Where's the realm? Point of interest. When we show its ability information. We don't have like an update. There it is, right here. Description. We need to set up a thing for the description as well, similar to how the card one works. The keywords, I think I called it. Yep. Yeah. Projects. Okay. Okay. Now remove card from realm, add card to opponent, add card to player, update realm mark. Got it. POI description text equals update keywords. POI description. Cool. Now cards, now locations like Moonlit Lake will show its stuff, will keyword highlight correctly. Right, that's the goal. That is absolutely the goal. How's everyone doing tonight? What's going on? What's new? What are you guys up to? What kind of stuff are you guys working on? Alright, so... Oh, we gotta stop yawning. You're okay. Keep going. You got this. Moonlit Lake. I didn't mean to hit play there. Maybe I got... Oh, cool, I missed it. Ooh, got lucky. Alright, so this should work. On turn 2. Beetle Cave? Hey, look at that dust shift and the dust shift in the yellow. That's sick. Works. I like it. Oh, the yellow sticks out pretty well. Maybe we'll give the yellow as the text for the location. Yellow sticks out better than the white does. Nice. Looks good. I wonder if I keep the. I wonder if we make it yellow because I feel like the yellow contrasts harder. Might be easier to read. That's concerning. I don't know. Why do you have 10 cards in your deck when I clearly got 5 beetles also? Oh, he discarded it. I see. I see. Touche. Okay. Realms now show updated keywords in yellow. Nice. Quality of life. Alright, let's add AI and AI functionality. It's the next thing. So play card. Play AI, play card. Okay. Alright. Let's see here. So AI play card. Alright. So, where do the cards get skipped? They get skipped over here. Okay. If stay here. If stop yawning, Crass. Don't do it. Don't do it. You're gonna make other people yawn. They're gonna fall asleep watching you. You don't want that. Maybe I do. Maybe I want that super nice, beautiful, angelic voice that people only listen to fall asleep to. It was a beautiful day. Okay. So, label cards add. Alright, where are we choosing what realms are not playable? That's inside here. Okay. Right. If I'm gonna add. Alright. If on the cards. Those would be player cards. No, that's right. I was right. That's right. My bad. Bone cards. If game turn manager instance all POIs I dot opponent cards dot count equals 0 and C dot card data dot C name placer equals arcane barrier. Continue. Okay. Don't add that POI. Got it. All right. All right. All right. Need a label on a couple things. Sure. Few labels, or we can rewrite the nav bar via prefab. Maybe. Should work on that. It sounds about right, doesn't it? Doesn't it sound about right? So let's see here. All right. So what did I say I was going to work on? Holy moly. Labels. Labels, labels, labels. Okay. Menu. Fader. This guy. Yeah. I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna add a fader to this backer object. No. This guy. Label. Marker. For CCL. No, you don't, but I can make that a thing. Label type. Labels? No. Yes. CCL. CCL info. Season pass. Okay. Now, so TCL info offset is going to be 250 by 55 by negative 55. Sorry. Give me another one on this side right here. Come on. This is a label as well. pass. Okay. So where do these get used? Pick deck doesn't have one? What? Manager, where the heck is that at? Get it right. Info. I was gonna say card collection unlock screen. Cool. Another one. Pass. This is gonna be season pass rewards. Cool. Cool. Right up. Alright, they're huge. Alright, let's not have that be that big. Let's do packing. We'll do, I don't know, 250 by 50. I dig that. Nice. 50 by 50. And then also the one up there. Yep. Okay. Can't read that. Do 200 by 75. Nice. But it's 225. Cool. 225. 225 negative 55. So 225 negative 55. Have it. Too many numbers at this point. The difference here, just 250 and 50. Easy. That's really easy. Okay. PCL screen is 225 negative 55. Cool. Alright. We added more labels. Labels. CCL and season pass. Okay. Nav bar to own the script. Let's do it. Let's do our own thing for the nav bar. Where's it? Where's she at? Okay. So a new script called nav bar. Objects. Nav bar. Okay. Cool. Good. So what do we need? We just need where it goes to. On shop, on match, or whatever, and on edit decks. We need those three. Where's the main menu at? On players from draft match. Okay. On shop, on edit decks. Right. Get it here anymore. Right. Then we need inside the blind collection level. Shop or main menu. Cool. That way we can just move it around, don't have to worry about it. One thing easier at a time, right? Thing, main menu. Now it's nav bar. Now it's nav bar. Stop. Right, now we make this prefab. It's actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Wow. Amazing how that works out. That's independent of itself. I like that about it. And that's not relying on anything else. Every screen can have this nav bar without having to worry about it now. Right, season pass, nav bar. Bring in the nav bar. Do the nav bar. Add the nav bar. Interactable. Well, they should all be interactable. Swords. Okay. So back in the main menu now. Wait, did I get rid of the other nav bar? Back in the main menu. This nav bar needs to not have this be interactive. How that works. Right. And then inside the shop, get rid of this nav bar. That nav bar. And nav bar is spelled wrong because I've seen it too many times. Oh. Matter. Nav bar. Stop. Off. On. Here. Turn this one back to off. Hide the image. Okay. Open. The shop's got one of these. It's not this one, it is shop text. 0. Okay. Cool. Here, 0. It's a card test. Cards on, cards off. Bag on, bag off. Bag. Card chest. Perfect. Bag. Cool. Awesome. Let me just turn this on. Here. Go in and we can add. There. Top, interactable off, main menu, interactable. the season pass. Nav bar. All three should be on. Interactable. They should all be by default. Sweet. Then main menu, match, new draft, out bar. The goal is just to make this more responsive than it was. Nav bar is good here. What else? Selection level. And then we have the collection screen, nav bar, back to auction. Okay. The collection screen should be on by default. This image. This one should be off. Okay. Be good. Let's see. Good. Good. Awards. Oh, this is level 3. Coins, 100 gems. Sweet. Here. Looks good. Nav bar got ported over to its own thing. Amazing. There's some things that I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do this. Like making Rapunzel try to pull a spell. It's hard. No idea. Alright guys. That is the end of the stream. Thank you so much for hanging out today. Much appreciated. Got to get up in the morning to stream some more. If you're not already following the Kickstarter or haven't already just thought about backing, please back the project. If not, retweet the Kickstarter's tweet for free. That's cool. Free exposure. Doesn't cost you anything at all. Nothing wrong with that. But please consider backing the project if you would. It's amazing. Again, thank you, Lana Lux, for the mega raid, as well as Holty for the resub. Let's go raid somebody. Let's see who's live. Who can we go throw some fun at? Let's see here. Who are we gonna go see? How about we go over to... Let's see here. Go over to... what's this guy doing right now? We're gonna go over to RW Grimm. He's working on Pigeon. If you don't know what Pigeon is, it's actually a really cool thing. Hard to explain. I think it's something like a coding language, but it also does other stuff too. We're gonna rate him. And if you want to put in the information, you can do Twitch raid, and we'll do a Kickstarter raid, Twitch raid. Until next time, guys, I love you, and I'll see you soon. Have a great rest of your night. Catch you later. Peace out.